Welcome back to Model T Time, everybody. Yesterday we got a shipment of sheet metal, so we can actually start looking at the body of this old Model T and hopefully figure out what all we can do to get it straightened out. The end of this week is the 68th annual Model T Club swap meet for down in Long Beach. And so my daughter and I are going to go down there tomorrow, and I want to look and see if maybe there's somebody with a coupe that's done a top and might be able to give me some advice on that. But anyway, we're going to go look and see what we can find down there. But in the meantime, we'll just look and see what all kind of parts we got for the old Model T, and we'll be able to at least get that all organized, and then we've got some other work to do. I've got the sandblasting cabinet finished, so we can get some of the smaller parts in there and get them taken care of. In fact, I did get one part sandblasted, and I'll show that to you right now. Okay, so I sandblasted and painted the coil box top. Didn't do the inside. You can see that what it looks like there, but it turned out pretty nice. You know, there was a lot of rust and corrosion on there, so I sandblasted it, gave it a couple of coats of primer, and then a couple of coats of gloss black enamel. So yeah, it turned out real good, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the parts I sandblast hopefully turning out as good, maybe even better. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got. We got the inner quarters there for the right and left rear fenders. They're pretty rotted out. We'll definitely use about from here down, you know, on both sides. So I got the left and right for that. And this is the panel here that goes below the deck lid there in the rear. So it's that rear panel. And we got a floor. Yep, we definitely needed a floor, so we got that. Yeah, the floor in this old Model T is pretty much gone. Somebody put a piece of sheet metal over it to cover it up, but it's pretty much gone. And we got that rear cross member. That's a nice little piece there. Lots of compound and strange bends and things, but so we'll get that on there. Then I got these are the left and right forward quarter panel patch panels. So they go right behind the door and in front of the fender. Then we got the ones that go in. Yeah, these go in on the cowl, down at the bottom of the cowl. So those are the patch panels for that. And then these go down below that panel on the rear to kind of round out the quarter panels on both sides of the rear. So that takes those. And then for the trunk, we got the left and right rain gutters. So some of the other stuff we are going to need, we're just going to have to make it because it doesn't exist. And I don't know what's going to happen with that subrail on the inside of the body until I get the metal cut off of that. It's pretty rusty, and I'm sure I'm going to need to do some work on that. So we'll just get all that organized and get busy with that here as quick as we can. But anyway, that's kind of an update on the Model T. I've got a lot more parts available. We've got the fenders, the splash aprons, the running boards. I'm going to sandblast the headlight buckets. We got new headlight rims for it. I would really love to have a nice shiny radiator cover, but those are nickel plated, and I did some checking and they want nearly $400 to plate that, and it's such a tiny little piece, so not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. Maybe I'll find one at the swap meet. But anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. So I would love to get this Model T all done and back together as quick as possible. So appreciate all of you for hanging in there and watching. I know we haven't done a video in quite a while, but it's just been a lot going on. As you can see, as the walk through the shop, I've got plenty of projects. So until the next video, we'll do some videoing down there at the swap meet, and maybe I'll show you some of the stuff we found down there. Anyway, all of you have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of your week, and we'll catch you later. And thank you so much for watching.